Hey, hello everyone, good to see you all in this video. In this video, I'm going to unbox this uh, router. Yeah, this is a 12 band Wi-Fi router, and it is mainly I'm going to use this router for the extension purpose because you can see connects to the internet via WAN port and some LAN ports, TV, gaming console, computer, or whatever it is, and the WPS reset switch power socket is there at the back, and some configurations are over here. So this is a time to get inside. And one more thing, this is a local purchase, so I don't have the purchase link for this router. Generally I used to give those details under the description, no, in the description under the video, but not now. Easy step with your phone via tether app. Let's see. Here it is. You can see. Okay, this is so small. I expected this should be like but it's so small. These are all the ports you can able to see. Fine, keep this aside. Quick installation guide, yeah, mandatory. And one 1 meter Ethernet cable, I hope so. But I don't know what is the maximum speed it will give. Maybe 6 or maybe 6E. Fine. Keep this aside. So this is the power socket or power adapter. 12 volt, 1 ampere. I hope so. Here we can see, let it be whatever it is, but this is compatible with that router. So yeah, let's make this router in action. Need to connect this via LAN port. Here it is, and once the connection is successful, it will give the extension with the new name inside the Wi-Fi range. Okay, time to configure this one, and some details are over here. So this is the main configuration details. So for the first time, if you are going to see, you can able to check this one. So join preset Wi-Fi. Let's see then. So once everything is done, I will show you it in the um, reels, not reels, shorts, YouTube shorts. So that's all about this video. It is me Formika signing off. Meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.